Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to mass post videos on multiple Instagram accounts. This is my software. As you can see, first we have the account management section. Here, it allows you to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. You can see a list of accounts here. Each account is on one line, and I have assigned a proxy to each account. This way, every account will have a different IP when logging in. Okay, to auto-post videos, first we need to prepare the content. I will go to the Content Management section. First, I will create a folder containing the previous posts. Then click on Add Post. Select the newly created folder, enter the description and hashtags for the video, and then choose the video path. I will select multiple videos at once. Then I press Save. I click Refresh and Load. And here, you will have the content ready like this. Next, to proceed with mass video posting, we will go to the Viral Marketing section. I will choose Post Article. First, I will set it up from top to bottom. The number of threads is the number of accounts running at the same time. Next is the number of posts that each account will make. You can also set the break interval between postings. Then, I will select the content. I choose the video I just created and press Save. Check this box if you want all accounts to post the same content. You can tag people. And you can also interact after posting by liking and commenting on the post. Okay, after everything is set up, I will choose the accounts. Then press Start. And let the software do the work. You can see, it will open the browser like this. It will start logging into Instagram, and it will post the video according to the script I set up. You can see it starts posting. It will enter the description, the video, and the hashtags. Then it will click Post like this. So, I just showed you how to mass post videos on Instagram using my software. If you need more information, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I've pinned the details below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Chung Social Tools channel.